We have a couple of questions on why we should strive for enlightenment at all.
Yes.
The first one is from Varan Dawan. Swamiji, I have been following your teachings and discussions on the various paths to enlightenment, but why should I pursue enlightenment? My ultimate aspiration is to live a simple and fulfilling life as a good human being. While I recognize that setbacks and suffering are inherent to human existence, I wonder why I should strive for enlightenment when I can simply focus on leading a virtuous and contented life. And the second one is from Rajesh. After studying Vedanta and observing this world, I gained the insight that the ignorance of Brahman is eternal. Why should one strive for enlightenment if ignorance of Brahman is eternal and individual jivas are continuously born or separated from Brahman? What is the point of an individual jiva attaining enlightenment when Brahman will still suffer?
What is the purpose of attaining enlightenment? Why should we at all strive for it? Well, the first answer, straightforward, most blunt, would be don't. It's entirely voluntary. I think we should sit back and quietly think about what exactly do we want? What exactly do we want? I want to lead a simple, virtuous and contented life. Life must be simple without complications. And I want to be a good person, virtuous person, and contented, or as he says, fulfilled life, fulfillment. I want to be fulfilled. Well, try it. But I want all of that without enlightenment, minus the enlightenment part of it. It's a curious condition, though. So you mean that without spirituality, without the spiritual quest, in this evident material world, in this samsara, I want to be a good person here and that's it. All right, go ahead. Knock yourself out, as the Americans would say. But the whole point of seeking enlightenment is that after striving generations and generations across all civilizations of the world, across of all oceans of time and space throughout history, the mature minds in every civilization, every religion have come to the realization that it's not possible to do what you are saying. Fulfillment in the limited is not possible. Nobody has ever been fulfilled by this limited world. This much money, this family I've got, and this car, and this house, and this phone model. I'm going to stop at iPhone 6. No more. I'll be fulfilled. Try it. You won't be. Apple won't let you rest in peace. It's not Apple's fault. It's not Apple's fault. It's our fault. We are not designed for fulfillment in the limited. And it's not a fault. It's not a manufacturing defect. It's a sign to our innate greatness that we are infinite actually. And that's why anything short of the limitless will not fulfill us. Anything short of the transcendent will not fulfill us. That which is just presented to the senses, it's not enough for us. This world which is ephemeral, continuously vanishing, it can never give lasting fulfillment. You want lasting fulfillment. How can you have lasting fulfillment in this world when nothing is lasting? All the time the ground is being swept away under our feet. Samsara, the word, Sanskrit word, powerful Sanskrit word used for this condition where we are in. Samsara, it literally means samsarati, that which is continuously flowing away. And we demand, this will give me lasting fulfillment. It won't. It's not designed to. The Upanishad says, Yo vai bhuma tat sukham nalpe sukham asti. That which is the vast, that which is the limitless, that alone is fulfillment. There is no fulfillment in the limited, in the small. The reason is we are not small. We may pretend to be small. I'm just this little person and I'll be happy here. But I won't be. The Buddha realized it in another way. See if that works for you. The Buddha said, Sarvam dukkham, all is suffering. If all is suffering, how can you be happy here? You say, no, but I dispute that. All is not suffering. No, all is. Why? Imagine what it takes for us to be happy. He already gave some conditions. I want to be virtuous. I want fulfillment, a simple life. Yeah. So this much money, my health must be like this, people must behave like this with me, and these are the conditions of my life, economic, political, social, climate, all of this, physical health, insurance, all of this must fall into these, within these controlled parameters. Then only I will be happy. Notice how we are designed physically. We are designed to notice pain and suffering. Biologically, that makes sense. If some part of the body is injured, our entire attention goes there. No matter that 99.9% of the body is functioning very well. If there is a cut or a single toothache, our entire attention goes there and we are completely miserable. It takes a lot to make us happy. It takes very little to make us unhappy. And even if we work very hard to get all the optimum parameters in place, which I think I'll be happy, I think, little do we know. It's all our experience shows us that when we really do get what we wanted, we thought we wanted, it's almost always a disappointment. Suppose we get it, whatever we wanted, and then I force myself to say, good, now I have got everything that I wanted, and now I'm just going to be happy. I'm going to be, determined to be happy now. I'm committed to be happy because I got what I wanted. But the Buddha says, notice, anityam, anityam, sarvam anityam, impermanent, impermanent, indeed all is impermanent. Not only impermanent, kshanikam, kshanikam, sarvam kshanikam, momentary, momentary, all is momentary, transient. Not only impermanent and momentary, shunyam, shunyam, sarvam shunyam, empty, without any essence, psychologically empty, void, all is empty. And because things are by their very nature impermanent, momentary and empty, dukkham, dukkham, sarvam dukkham. If I arrange everything to my liking, all my parameters are check, 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 what will happen? Impermanent. Next moment, it will change. That's the very nature of the world. World, body, mind. Something will change. If there is any change from my optimum state, it will become suboptimal. I'm no longer happy and fulfilled anymore. The very nature of the world, of the body and the mind, which I want to be happy with this body and mind in this world, all are changing. And my state of happiness, optimum state, the narrow band of my state of happiness, it's very narrow, it's very limited. And the world is continuously in flow. How am I going to be happy there? It's not possible on this side of the limited. Upanishad says, nastya kritena krita, akritam. Nasti kritena akritam. The limitless cannot be accomplished through the limited. You want limitless happiness, fulfillment, cannot be accomplished through limited means. And that's what we recognize after long striving through many lifetimes. But it's a matter of personal experience. Try it. Try it. You have got a good ambition. I want a simple life, contented, virtuous, good. This is a good thing to aspire for. Try it. Maybe you will be one of the blessed few who will get some of it. And the interesting thing is, if you lead a simple and virtuous life, very soon a spiritual quest will come up in you. What's the point of all this? You begin to observe the ways of life and you begin to ask whys on there. And then again the question of enlightenment comes up. Yes.